Now let us look at local and global variables. I will take one function fun. Here inside this I will take one local variable a with value 10. Now this is a local variable that is useful only inside this function. I can say a++ or I can say cout a. This is accessible only here. Can I access that same function inside main if I say a? See, there is no a declared here inside main function. So there is no a declared inside main function, so I am getting an error message that is use of undeclared identifier a. When a variable is available in some function, it's accessible only there. It means the variables have local scope in C++. I will declare one global variable, integer g, assign 5. Now this should be accessible everywhere, which is declared outside. Now inside main function, can I say cout g? Yes, that value of g can be accessed here. Can I access that same variable g in function fun also? Yes, we can access that in function fun also. See, there are no error messages here. So it means this g is accessible inside function fun as well as inside function main. Here I will say g++. I will modify the value of g. G is 5, so it becomes 6, and here it should display 6. And what about main function? See, inside main function I will call function fun. Then again I will display value of g. Now if you see here, this is cout g. First the value of g, that is 5, is displayed. Then it will call the function fun. Function fun will have variable a and g. A is increase and g is increase. It should print 11 and 6. Then when the function return back again in the main function, it should display 6. Let us see what are the results we will get. We should get 5 and 11, 6, and then again 6. Yeah. First the value from the main function, then the values are printed from function fun, then again the value from function main. I'll do one thing, I'll remove these things, and I will also remove this a. Now this function is having just a g. So g is modified by function fun, and here let us display g before and after calling function fun. And from here also I will change. Now just in main function I will print the value of g before calling function fun and after calling function fun. So g should be changed to 6 because the function fun is changing the value of g. So this is the only work I am doing inside function fun. Let us run. Yeah, I got the values as 5 and 6. See, these are the only two couts I have, which is printing 5 and then this is printing 6. So this shows that variable g is accessible in all the functions. So these are global and local variables. Now let us see one more thing. Inside function fun, I will declare one more variable called g and whose value is 10. Now you can see that the color of this g has changed. It was green to show that this is global variable. Here it is green. Now if I say g++, then what happens? Let us see. Now if you see function fun, it is having a local variable g also and global variable name is also g. When we say g++, which variable it will increment? It will increment local variable. So when the compiler will look for the declaration of variable in the nearest scope, so this is the nearest scope. Let us run the program. Yes, the global variable 5 is not modified by this function fun. Main function have displayed g before and after calling function fun, so it has not modified the global variable. Now, one more thing I'll show you. Here I will have a block level scope, and inside this block I will have one more variable, integer g assign 0, and I will say g++, and also I will say cout g and l. Now here I will display cout g. Can you figure out which variable we are referring to? See, here I have a local variable g, but again a block is there. Inside that again g is declared whose value is 0, and g++, which g will increment? This local g will increment and the value will be 1. And when it comes out of this block, then the value of g, which g is accessible here, which is outside this block, outside the block. So that value is 10 and it remains 10 only, and the 10 value is displayed. Let us run this. See, first the function main is printing this g, that is 5, and then 1 is displayed, so that is this one. this variable g, and then this variable g is 10. So this is referring to this one, because this is within this block only and g is created and destroyed. So that's all. So variables in C++ have block level scope. So in this block, this g belongs to this block only, and this g belongs to this outer block, and as inside this block there is one more g available, so this outside g is not accessible, and this is a global variable g.